Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today we are going to
tell you about air pollution. Air pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues facing the world today. It refers to the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere that can have serious consequences for human health, ecosystems, and the climate. These pollutions come from a variety of sources, both natural and man made, including vehicle emissions, industrial processes, burning of fossil fuels, wildfires, and even volcanic eruptions. While natural events play a role, it is human activity that has significantly increased the concentration of harmful gases and particles in the air.
one of the major pollutants is particulate matter or PM, tiny solid or liquid particles suspended in the air. These can be inhaled deeply into the lungs, leading to respiratory problems and cardiovascular disease, such as nitrogen dioxide, NO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2, carbon monoxide, CO, and ground level ozone, O3, also contribute to poor air quality and can aggravate asthma and lung conditions.
Smog is a type of air pollution that results from a mixture of smoke and fog, often intensified by industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust. It forms when pollutants like nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compounds react with sunlight, creating a thick, hazy layer in the atmosphere. Smog most common in urban areas with high traffic and industrial activity, especially during hot weather. It poses serious health risks, particularly for children, the elderly, and those with respiratory conditions like asthma. In addition to harming human health, smog can also damage crops, reduce visibility, and contribute to climate change.
The ozone layer is like a protective shield high in the sky that keeps us safe from the sun's harmful rays. However, air pollution can damage this shield when we burn things like cars or factories. They release chemicals called CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons into the air. These chemicals break holes into the ozone layer, making it weaker. When the ozone layer gets damaged, it cannot protect us as well from the sun, which can lead to more skin problems and other harmful effects. So, keeping the air clean is important to help protect the ozone layer.
Air pollution doesn't just harm people, it also damages the environment. It contributes to acid rain, which can acidify water bodies and degrade soil quality, harming plants and aquatic life. It also accelerates climate change. For example, black carbon, a component of particulate matter, absorbs sunlight and warms the atmosphere, while carbon dioxide and methane trap heat, raising global temperatures. This contributes to melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events.
To combat air pollution, countries have implemented various policies and technologies. These include stricter vehicle emission standards, promotion of clean energy sources like wind and solar, investment in public transportation, and regulations on industrial emission. However, global cooperation is essential, as air pollution knows no borders. Pollutants released in one region can travel thousands of miles affecting people and ecosystems far away.
Everyone has a role to play in reducing air pollution. Simple actions like using public transportation, conserving energy, avoiding burning trash, and supporting clean energy initiatives can make a difference. By raising awareness and encouraging responsible behavior, we can work together toward a cleaner, healthier future for all. Thank you for watching
This Adventurous Kids episode. Yeah!
Blessed be. What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.